Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add Revolut to Samsung Pay. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up your Samsung Pay, your Samsung wallet, and then here on the home page under My Wallet, tap here on Payment Cards. Okay, we're going to be adding the Revolut debit card. Okay, now you just need to position your card inside the frame to go ahead and scan it, or you can add it using NFC or add the card manually using the details. You can tap on those as well. Now here you'll see the card information that it has picked up, the card number, card holder name, expiration date. If you think it's incorrect, you can go ahead and fix it right here. And if you chose the manual option, you have to manually input all the details. You'll need the security code, which is the CVV code you'll find at the back of the card. And then you enter the zip code and then just go ahead and tap on next and just enter all the information. And then you just need to go ahead and verify your card using the different options. So you can choose text message, whatever your card was using for verification. So you use text message and enter the verification code. Okay, and you're done. Your card would have been added to Samsung Pay. So that is how you add Revolut. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.